Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel SAIEDUPHARMAA. Today we are going to discuss another topic of controlled release drug delivery system, and this is microspheres. First of all, we will be seeing what are microspheres. So they are basically spherical particles and they have particle size range between 1 to 1000 micrometers, and they are used as drug delivery systems and carriers for various applications in medicine, biotechnology, cosmetics, and other industries. If we see the structure of microspheres, then they can be solid microspheres or hollow microspheres. Solid microspheres are entirely solid throughout and they are used where a consistent and uniform release is essential. But hollow microspheres, they have central cavity, so they are lightweight and they are useful for applications such as bio-NCAs or as fillers in composites to reduce the weight without compromising the strength. So these are structures, these are simple microspheres, and in these there is core shell. So these are core shell microspheres. They are sphere in sphere multiple microspheres, then porous microspheres, hollow microcapsules. Then similarly these are microparticle clusters, then non-spherical microparticles, erythrocyte-like concave microparticles, and nanorods. Now we will be seeing on the basis of composition the types of microspheres. There are four types: polymeric microspheres, glass microspheres, ceramic microspheres, and magnetic microspheres. So first comes polymeric microspheres. As the name suggests, they are made from biodegradable or non-biodegradable polymers. And the examples of polymers are, in biodegradable polymers, examples are polylactic acid, polyglycolic acid, polylactic coglycolic acid, and chitosan. And in non-biodegradable polymers, examples include polymethyl methacrylate and polystyrene. Now we'll be seeing the application. They are widely used in drug delivery for controlled and sustained release of therapeutic agents and diagnostics. Second comes glass microspheres. These are made from glass materials. This you can see the diagram or the picture of glass microspheres, and they are basically used in industrial applications, reflective coating, and some medical therapies. And they can also serve as contrast agents in medical imaging or be used for bone filler materials. Next type is ceramic microspheres. Here you can see the image of ceramic microspheres. They are prepared with the help of ceramic materials like silica or alumina. So they offer high mechanical strength and heat resistance. And they are used in bone tissue engineering because of their strength, then thermal insulation, catalysis, and other industrial uses. Next comes magnetic microspheres. They contain magnetic materials like stainless steel or silver that allow them to be directed or localized using an external field. Here you can see this is magnetite and core particle, and here this is surface polymer layer. And they are used for targeted drug delivery, hyperthermia treatment for cancer, medical imaging, and magnetic separation techniques in laboratories. Now we will be seeing the properties of microspheres. First is biodegradability. Basically, the biodegradable microspheres, they gradually degrade within the body, so they are ideal for sustained release drug delivery system without leaving any residual material because it is all biodegradable. Then comes controlled release. We can modify or tailor the properties of the microsphere matrix. Example, polymer composition, porosity, and thereby the release of encapsulated drug can be controlled, hence the controlled release could be achieved. Third is surface modification. The surface of the microspheres can be modified for targeted delivery to specific tissues or cells with the help of various polymers or ligands, and hence the therapeutic efficacy is enhanced and the side effects are reduced. Next comes size and stability. Microspheres can be engineered in different sizes to optimize their distribution, bioavailability, and stability within the biological system. This shows that microspheres can be used in various places or they have varied applications. So these are the methods of preparations of microspheres: emulsion solvent evaporation method, spray drying method, coacervation, phase separation method, inotropic dilation method, solvent diffusion method, hot melt extrusion method, electrostatic spray drying method. So these methods we have already discussed in our microencapsulation topic. So do go and watch the complete topic from the playlist controlled release drug release system of our channel SAIEDUPHARMAA. So do like, share and subscribe the channel SAIEDUPHARMAA. So what are the evaluation parameters of microspheres? After they are prepared, they are evaluated for particle size and size distribution, the uniformity of the size, then morphology and surface characteristics, which can be done by SEM-TEM, then drug loading and encapsulation efficiency, then in vitro drug release profile, swelling behavior, degradation and stability studies, zeta potential, that is surface charge, is measured with the help of zeta sizer, then density and porosity is measured, then buoyancy for floating microspheres is measured, then thermal properties are determined, then in vivo biocompatibility and toxicity studies are also done, then residual solvent content is determined, mechanical strength and flow properties are determined especially for dry microspheres, and pH stability studies are also performed as per ASH guidelines. Now we will be seeing what are the important applications of microspheres. First is drug delivery system. In this, we can use as sustain or controlled release as well as for targeted drug delivery. As you can see that microspheres can provide controlled release of encapsulated drugs, which can help to maintain therapeutic drug levels for an extended period, and thereby they reduce the dosing frequency, and when the dosing frequency is reduced, then patient compliance is enhanced or achieved. Then comes targeted drug delivery. As we saw that the microspheres could be modified, so these surface modified microspheres can be designed to target specific tissues or organs, improving drug efficacy and reducing side effects. Second is vaccines and immunotherapy. Antigen delivery could be achieved with the help of microspheres as they can be used as carriers for antigens to increase the immune response in vaccines, acting as adjuvants to improve the effectiveness. Next is medical diagnostics and imaging. Microspheres can be used in medical imaging as contrast agents, improving the clarity and resolution of the imaging techniques like MRI and ultrasounds. Next comes tissue engineering and regenerative medicine. This is very important studies that are going on. Microspheres can serve as scaffolds in tissue engineering to support cell growth and tissue regeneration, particularly in bone and cartilage repair. Then in cosmetics, microspheres are used to provide sustained release of active ingredients like moisturizers, anti-aging agents and sunscreens. Then microspheres can also improve the texture, feel and optical properties of various cosmetic products. Next application is industrial applications. They are used as lightweight fillers in paints, coatings and construction materials. Then glass microspheres are used in reflective paints for road marking and signs. Next application is as gene delivery. Polymeric microspheres can encapsulate genetic material for gene therapy applications, which protects it from degradation and enhances the uptake by target cells. Next is radioactive microspheres for cancer treatment. These microspheres can be used for localized treatment of tumors like in liver cancer by delivering radiation directly to cancerous tissues while sparing surrounding healthy tissues. So, in selective internal radiation therapy, radioactive microspheres can be used. Here are some of the examples of marketed microsphere products. First is Lupron Depot, which is the microsphere made up of luprolide acetate. This is a microsphere based formulation for sustained release of gonadotropin releasing hormone agonist. which is used for conditions like prostate cancer and endometriosis. Second example is sandostatin LAR, which is octreotide containing microsphere, and these microspheres are designed for the long term delivery of octreotide for acromegaly and certain other cancers. So we say that microspheres, they have a versatile platform for drug delivery, diagnostics, tissue engineering and industrial applications because of their ability to encapsulate, protect and release active agents in a very controlled manner, and they can be tailored to meet specific therapeutic needs and enhance the effectiveness and safety of various treatments. So thank you so much. Stay connected with SAIEDUPHARMAA. Watch playlist on controlled release drug delivery systems for various videos related to controlled drug delivery.